Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Kiboshib token. Ticker symbol is Kibshi, Kibshi. And it was just announced that this token, this Doge meme coin, will be listed tomorrow, November 17th, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on the Kiboshib token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find this token listed on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, Dex Tools, Dex Screener, Etherscan, Bubble Maps. They have a Reddit, Telegram, Twitter. They have a web page, contact email. You can find all these links on Dex Tools, and right now they're actually trending number 10 on Dex Tools in the Ethereum section. Doing very well, this token. They have a market cap of $37.8 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. Just today, they have a 24-hour trading volume of $1.9 million. They have $1.1 million worth of liquidity in Uniswap. And this token is actually trending number 19 on Dex Screener in the Ethereum section right now as well. They have 3,857 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and there is a max total supply of 1 trillion Kiboshib tokens. Now, it's just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, November 17th at 10 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search KIBSHI, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So this token going on today, the 16th, there is a Kickstarter event going on Mexc Global as well, where you could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops, and there is a reward pool available of 50,000 USDC. Now this token has a Telegram you can follow at Kibshi_portal. 3,098 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, along with their Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over here. And their Twitter is at Kiboshib, and they have 6,457 subscribers. A link to their webpage and Telegram right there, kiboshib.com. And it says here, Kiboshib, Kibshi, is the first artificial intelligence generated meme coin on any blockchain, launched on-chain December 8th, 2022. So this is an older token, but they claim to be the very first AI generated token on any blockchain during the first week of ChatGPT's release. Now, the AI generated Kibshi from the concept of being the child of his mother Kiboshib and the father Shiba Inu. Besides just the name, the AI also suggested a logo design, which was then fed into DALL-E to create the cute and iconic Kibshi logo. Kaibo is Japanese for hope, and Kibshi represents the hope of a better future where AI is omnipresent. Now, their webpage has tons of links to blogs, memes, AI fan art, a buy button. So now you can buy the token on all sorts of different chains. Like I said, it's on Ethereum, but it says it's also on Base and Arbitrum. So there's all sorts of different ways you can get the token on different chains on their webpage. They also have OpenSea link for NFTs on there. They show you what the AI generated art looks like on their webpage. It says introducing the first AI meme coin, Kibshi, the new meme coin that combines the best of Doge and the best of Shiba Inu, fast and cheap transactions, secure and decentralized, and a fun and playful design featuring a Shiba Inu puppy. Join the Kiboshib community and start using Kibshi today. And they have links to their socials on the webpage as well. So it says here the main features of this token. They have an AI chatbot, and it was asked what the main features of Kibshi should be. And here's what it said: fast and cheap transactions, secure and decentralized, fun and playful design, featuring a Shiba Inu puppy with Kiboshi's signature round face and sad eyes, active and engaged community with users and developers. The usage for the token, you could use Kiboshib to buy and sell goods and services within the Kiboshib community. Hold Kiboshib as a form of digital collectible and as a potential investment. Use the meme coin as a means of tipping content creators and rewarding others for their contributions to the community. Use the meme coin as a playful and fun way to engage with others and participate in the growing world of cryptocurrency. These are the AI-generated use cases and visions which the community should help turn into a reality. Now they have a roadmap. It says one human has limited power, but a community-driven, like-minded people can achieve anything. Kibshi is an experimental AI-generated meme coin, and once it gains real value in a strong community, it'll empower people to create interesting, creative, and useful projects and other things. Some ideas might generate a revenue source for the community, while other things just might simply be for fun, but focus on creating and strengthening the community first, and all good things will follow after. Woof. So, yeah, check out the rest of the blog articles and everything like that on their webpage, kiboshib.com. And you can find this token newly listed tomorrow on Mexc Global, so make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.